Hello, hello, hello family, and welcome to the channel. This blissfully imperfect life. It's your girl Tony, and if you are interested in seeing how my new redone dining room came out, just stay tuned. Okay family, so I want to take you on a tour of the new updated dining room for the spring. And I'm sorry about the beeping, we need to change the smoke detectors. But I'm going to start over in this section. This section is the DIY bench that I made from trash to treasure. And as you can see, I have the baskets in it. It does have a center drawer and then a basket on the far side. This is the bench, the upholstered top bench. I still have to get pillowcases, but I'm loving the gray and pink that is along the bench seat. These curtains I got from Walmart. The panels, I actually thought it was single panels in a pack, but they ended up being double panels in each pack. And you see they have a nice shimmer to them, beautiful shimmer with the white gray and white sheer in between. On the dining room table, which we love this dining room table. We've had it for several years, so we would not be getting rid of it. It's the one thing that stayed from before because it actually folds if we want to make it smaller, but we always leave it out just because we like the look of it. And that's our dining room table. I took a plant that I already have around the house, a peace lily, from my aunt's funeral, and it is growing beautifully in this space. Over here on the back side, I do not have a lot of storage in this house, so we have the cubes. These cubes, this set of cubes has some office supplies, but this set of cubes have my daughter's lunch making materials. If you watch several of my videos, you know that I make her lunches. I pack her lunches, so I keep those there. We have a little vignette of items over here. I love owls. I have my two white owls and my gold and glitter vases that I got from Ross several years ago, along with this painting. And this is my quarantine design, so it will change because I want to get a picture that has golds and pinks for this wall. But for now, I shopped my home, and so what you see, everything you see are items that I already had around the house to do this makeover. The paint was the same color paint that I used on the cabinets, and you'll see that in the kitchen refresh. Then I have this other little vignette that says wine time. And so it has two glasses and a bottle of wine on a chalkboard cutting board like a cheese tray. Over on this side is just my plant that I've had this plant for about 7 years now, and it's been all over the house. Over on this side is my buffet area with my sign that says may love be the heart of this home. And you can't really see home because I have the owl in the bird cage right here, and I know owls don't go in bird cages, but I love the bird cage and I love owls, so there it goes. And so this is my dining room refresh. I am loving it. The only thing I want, like I said, I want to change out this picture, this light fixture, as well as add a carpet down here. So when we are able to go out, those are the 3 items that I am going to be redoing. Over in this section, you will see that I have this piece right here which stores our shoes. You see, that's how we keep our shoes, because I do not have a mud room, so we keep the shoes right there, and it's fine, you can't see them. and it's looking great. So here is the design. I love that I painted this accent wall. It freshened it up so much. New space. I'm loving it. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you like the design. Comment down below any design ideas that you may have. I think I want to change this little vignette. I need something in between with a little, like a medium height item there. So just leave a comment down below. Give me any ideas that you may have. And just tell me whether you like it or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I know that you are enjoying this content that I've been doing while we've been quarantined. And as always, thank you for watching. Make each and every day amazing. I love you guys. Bye for now.